We are at the Safari Project in Pretoria, ready to take off on a 7-day trip to the Eastern Transvaal, Swaziland, Lesotho. They call it the Tri-Nations Safari Project tour. There's a good mix of Cayennes as well as Carreras that have been prepared for the off-roading. All of the cars look great, actually closer to spectacular, very sporty, special suspensions, special conversions.